Hello friends, today I'm going to explain about JavaScript closures, what I have learned today. So it is just understanding of JavaScript closure, how it works, and I'm also going to give you a demo about JavaScript closure so that I understand clearly. So I want to share with you that understanding. That's it. So first of all, what is JavaScript closure? So by definition, it is called as closure is a function having access to parent scope variable even after parent function is closed. So at present it will be confusing, but after explaining with the example, you will understand what is a JavaScript closure. Okay, let us jump into the example right now. Okay, so at present I have created one simple web application by using Visual Studio 2015. So here I have created one solution called JavaScript examples, and I have created one HTML file called closure example.html, and in that I have a header part and also a body part. So in header part I have included the script which is called JavaScript example scripts, and in body part I have a paragraph and heading. Both I have defined as ID, and the script I have included the text JavaScript, and how will you access the JavaScript? How will you show the JavaScript value in the HTML web page? So for that you need document.getElement by ID. There is a DOM manipulation. DOM the DOM is a you are getting the value of the text box by using document.getElement by ID ht1. ht1 is nothing but a h2 heading tag. For h2 I have declared ht1 as heading tag. So document get element by id ht1 dot inner html equal to the value of function add result is outer function. So and console.dir outer function is the just I want to verify the function properties in the console tab of the Chrome browser. That's it. So now let us go to the JavaScript part. So here I have declared a variable called outer function that is equal to that is uh, open bracket of function, and I have declared one function called like this. I have opened one function, and again I declared value, that is value passed, what which value I am going to pass here, where value passed equal to 1, and again I have a where add result. I have declared another function, and I am going to get the function part in the add result variable. So for that where add result equal to function of again I am declaring that function here, and I am including one local variable called args1 equal to 2, and returning that value passed plus args1. So here the local variable is available inside the function itself. Args1 is a local variable, but value passed is it is not inside that function. So where it is located? It is outside of the function local function scope. So closure, when it how it know it is a closure? So JavaScript, what it searches for searches means when it is executed, it will first see that argument, all the argument are declared or not. Args1 is declared, yes, it is declared locally, but value passed is not declared locally. So it will search throughout the script function. So where it is declared above the function, outside the scope of the local function. But that function also inside one self-invoking function. So it is called a self-invoking function. In JavaScript, any anonymous function or is called a self-invoking function. Self-invoking function means without a name you are declaring the declaring a function. So in the outside part you are having that where outer func equal to open braces of bracket open bracket of function of inside that one value passed is declared. So it will see this value passed argument outside the its local function add result, and it will get that value from that uh, outer function variable, and it will add the result, and it will return the result here by using add result. So say within actually all the any value which is not declared inside the local function, it should be inside the self-invoking function. Then only you can then only you can see the result of the closure value. So now let us run this part and you can understand it clearly. I think something I have done wrong here. Yeah. So now you can see the function result is 3. So actually before uh, when I execute it first time, you will get that HTTP not found because the solution is not built. So again I built that solution and run it again, means the error is solved. So now you can get the result by using the inspect menu here in the Chrome tab. Go to the console tab. Here you have add result section. Expand it, and here you have scope variable, two scope variables. Closure is one that. So here only the closure it will take. So value passed it will take as a 1 because it is defined outside the function. So now you can understand what is closure. That is any value which is declared outside the function is called a closure value. And JavaScript